Hello, my name is Katie Kolb, and today I'll be discussing two very prevalent viruses found in semen, Ebola and Zika. First off, why should we care? Many people don't realize that Ebola and Zika are highly infectious pathogens with serious health implications to humans. Although these aren't considered sexually transmitted diseases, both can be transmitted sexually, usually through male semen. The Ebola virus can survive in human semen for up to 82 days after infection, and the Zika virus can cause severe birth defects or even stillbirth in infants. Ebola is an RNA virus that is transmitted sexually through secretions such as male semen. Ebola was originally transmitted from primates, guinea pigs, bats, and forest antelopes. The first documented case of Ebola was a person who became infected after an encounter with a bat in a mine in West Africa. In order to effectively prevent being infected with Ebola, one should avoid areas of now known outbreaks, wash their hands frequently, avoid consumption of bushmeat, avoid contact with infected people, follow the infection control procedures, and avoid handling human remains. Zika is a mosquito-borne flavivirus that is closely related to dengue virus. It was first transmitted to humans through bites from Aedes mosquitoes, and symptoms include a mild rash and fever, as well as muscle and joint pain, headaches, and pain behind the eyes. There is no cure for Zika, but treatment methods focus on alleviating painful symptoms. In order to effectively prevent being infected with Zika, you should track the spread of Zika virus so that you can maintain awareness if an outbreak happens near you. Learn how to protect yourself if you're traveling in an area with a high risk of Zika, and protect yourself from mosquito bites by treating them quickly and paying close attention to anything out of the ordinary. The first known case of Ebola was in Guinea when an 18-month-old boy came into contact with a bat who carried the virus. He immediately became ill with fever and died 2 days later. The death toll for Ebola currently sits at around 11,000 people, and there have been about 28,000 cases reported in total. The Ebola virus has been spread through many preventable practices, such as not implementing isolation wards in hospitals. In the U.S., there have been 4 documented cases of Ebola and 1 documented death. The spread in the states has been contained well due to advanced medical technology and the ability to isolate and quarantine the infected patients. The first case of Zika was in Uganda in 1947 and was isolated by the rhesus monkeys. Zika first affected humans in Nigeria in 1954, and the first major outbreak was in Micronesia in 2007. This major outbreak led to the infection of 180 people, all with the characterized symptoms of rashes, joint pain, and conjunctivitis. The next outbreak was in October of 2013 in Polynesia, which affected 11% of their population. This outbreak led to the spread of Zika to other Pacific islands such as New Caledonia, Cook Islands, and Easter Island.